Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji. And today we have Take 5 Yoga. This is a perfect yoga break for when you don't have a lot of time, but you need a little something something. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. All right, pals, let's begin on all fours today. Jumping right into it. Spread your hands super wide as you come down to the ground. Give the earth a little high five. Really feeling that stretch in the palms, knees underneath the hip points. Starting with cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly, open your chest. Take a big old breath in. And then as you exhale, round through, claw into your fingertips, lift your heart space up to the sky. Inhale, drop the belly, open your heart. Take the biggest breath you've taken all day here. And then exhale, really press away from the earth. Keep your knuckles grounding down. As you arch the back, draw your navel up. One more, inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round through, chin to chest. Awesome. On your next inhale, you're going to kick the right foot out and reach the left fingertips forward. Take the deepest breath and then exhale, round through, just like in cat pose, bringing the elbow in, the knee in, rounding through the spine. Good. Inhale to extend. Exhale, tabletop position. Here we go. Dropping the belly, this time kicking the left toes out and reaching the right fingertips forward. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, round through. Press your left palm into the earth. Lift your heart space up towards the sky. Good. Inhale, spread the fingers, spread the toes, reach it out. Exhale, tabletop position. Beautiful. Walk the hands out just a bit. Upper arm bones rotate out, so elbow creases, biceps towards the front of your yoga mat. Then curl the toes under. Feel that stretch already through the foot. Take a deep breath in, and here we go. Keep your knees bent as you lift the hip creases up high, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in here, and use your exhale to melt your heart back. Shake the head, a little yes, a little no. Great, then bend the knees, inhale to look forward and exhale to make your way to the top. Feet hip width apart or flush together. Take an inhale to halfway lift, find length in the spine. And then use your exhale to soft bend in the knees, forward fold, let everything go. Great, then send your hips back, bend your knees generously, bring your belly to the top of the thighs, and slowly, when you're ready, roll up, tucking the chin. Standing up nice and tall, mountain pose right away. Inhale, spread your fingertips, and as you breathe in, reach for the sky. Exhale, rain it down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, find length in the neck. Exhale to soften and bow. You're gonna step or you can hop it back to plank, strong and steady. Beautiful. Now turn onto the outer edge of your right foot, the inner arch of your left foot. You're going to press away from your yoga mat and reach your left fingertips all the way up towards the sky. Lift your right hip all the way up, up, up. Take one more breath. Good. Then exhale, come back through center plank pose and then take it to the other side. Big inhale to press away from the earth. Reach your right fingertips up. Then lift your left hip crease up towards the sky. And then bring it all the way back down to plank. Beautiful. Inhale to look forward, shift forward. Exhale to the belly. Inhale, cobra. Keep it soft. Exhale to release. Curl the toes under, press back up to plank or all fours. Then send it back to downward facing dog. Beautiful. Bend your knees. Inhale to look forward. Exhale to make your way to the top. Inhale with your breath. Lift up halfway. Follow your breath. Exhale to soften and fold. Beautiful. Inhale, roll it up. Nice and slow, stacking up through the spine. When you're ready, take your fingertips, stretch them all the way up towards the sky. And then on an exhale, soft bend in the knees. Send your right fingertips forward and your left fingertips back. Breathe. Grounding through the feet. And then here we go. Big inhale to reach for the sky. And exhale, send your right fingertips back, left fingertips forward, twisting through the spine. Beautiful. Then inhale, last big stretch here. Send your fingertips up. You're going to slowly lift up from your center, lift your heels up, finding your balance here, relaxing the shoulders down, hug the low ribs in. We're here for 3, 2, and on the 1, slowly lower your feet. Bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, lots of love in. And exhale, lots of love out. Nice work, everyone. Have an amazing rest of the day. I'll see you next time. Namaste.